Hello, lovelies. With your chicken money, this soup is good to go. I came back from work and I was so hungry, and as you can see, I'm already downloading it. This soup was made in less than 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. Oh yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Let me give you tutorials. So at this point, I've added palm oil into a hot pot. So I will allow it to get hot, then after which I will add the ogbono I'll be using for the soup. This is the ogbono. It's already, I blended it together with crayfish, ogbono and crayfish. Then after which I will continue stirring at intervals, and after which I will add my rishi. Actually, I steamed this rishi. This is dried fish, dried catfish, smoked catfish, skin of cow, and cow meat. This is the rishi I used for this soup. Yes, to make it. By the way, have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, haba, oh yeah, subscribe before we continue. Subscribe. And if you are a returning subscribers, at this point I'm adding fresh pepper. This is atarugu fresh pepper. Yes, so I've added it, then I will allow it. So thanks you my returning subscribers. Let me tell you something, you guys are the best. Thank you for supporting, thank you for liking, commenting and sharing. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for giving me strength to do what I'm doing. God bless you. And to my intended subscribers. Oh yeah. So at this point, as you can see, I'm adding OkRO. You see the way I sliced the OkRO. It's not too big, it's not too small. So I've added the OkRO, and uziza leaf will follow suit immediately. This is uziza leaf. After which, I will add salt for taste, then seasoning. I used only 1 cube. No, I already added enough crayfish while I was blending the ogbono. So I will now stir. Take a look now. Are you seeing this soup? Are you seeing what I'm saying? Oh my God. Like, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Baby, what are you waiting for? This soup is good to go. You see, in less than 10 minutes, this soup is good to go. And with your chicken money, you don't need much. Get that fufu, get that lolo, because I'm about to get mine. If you are coming over, start coming now, because it's about finishing. Come, let's start downloading this. Let's download it. Please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe. Let's welcome you into our eating family, okay? And my already returning subscribers, please, bring your wash your hand. Let's start eating. You see my baby.